Welcome to Factful Finance, where your money mindset gets smarter, sharper, and more profitable. Imagine this. You're sipping coffee, your laptop's open, and while most people are stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, your AI-generated book just made another sale online, without you lifting a finger. What if that was your everyday? Well, it can be. We're about to unpack one of the most explosive, underutilized wealth-building strategies in the creator economy, making and selling AI-generated books. And yes, it's 100% real. AI can help you go from zero to passive income, ethically, legally, and profitably. But don't be fooled. This isn't push-a-button, get-rich-quick nonsense. This is a real business, and real businesses need real strategies. Let's get into it. First up, why books? Books are evergreen assets. Once published, they can generate income for years, even decades. You don't need a massive following or a publishing deal. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, made it possible for everyday people to distribute globally with zero upfront printing costs. But here's where it gets smarter. AI allows you to create faster, scale wider, and test more markets without burning out or going broke. Here's how you do it, step by step. Step 1, choose your niche. Don't start writing yet. First, validate your idea. Use free tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and Publisher Rocket to uncover demand. Nonfiction is hot. Think journals, planners, cookbooks, coloring books, children's stories, self-help guides. Look at underserved niches or trending microtopics. For example, grief journals for teens, or AI-powered marketing for Etsy sellers. The goal is simple: low competition, high intent. Step 2, content creation with AI. Now comes the magic. For text-heavy books, tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Jasper can help draft content at lightning speed, but only if guided correctly. Use detailed prompts. Don't say, write a book about meditation. Say, create a 10-chapter outline for a beginner's guide to meditation that includes scientific studies, historical context, and daily practices. Want to stand out? Combine AI writing with your personal experiences, curated research, or professional insights. Remember, quality sells, and it builds repeat readers. For visuals, especially if you're making children's books, activity books, or design-focused journals, use Midjourney or DALL-E. You can prompt it for specific themes like a watercolor-style fox meditating in a forest. Want more control? Canva and Adobe Firefly let you blend AI with custom design elements. And yes, music is now in play too. If you're publishing storybooks or digital content with audio, use AI tools like Suno or Udio to generate original background tracks or character theme songs. These platforms create studio-quality music from simple prompts, making your product multi-sensory and more marketable. Step 3, format and polish. Don't skip this part. Formatting separates amateurs from professionals. Use Atticus or Vellum to format for both print and Kindle. Proofread your content, even if AI helped write it. Grammarly is a baseline, but for serious work, consider hiring a freelance editor from platforms like Reedsy or Fiverr. Polished work builds trust, and trust builds sales. Step 4, publishing. Set up your Amazon KDP account. Upload your manuscript and cover design, created in Canva or Adobe Express. Choose your keywords carefully. KDP allows up to 7, but each one is a mini SEO opportunity. Think like your buyer. What are they typing into the search bar? Choose your categories strategically. Amazon allows you to request 10 if you email support. The more relevant categories, the better your ranking chances. Step 5, pricing and royalties. Price strategically. Start low to build momentum. $2.99 to $4.99 for Kindle, $6.99 to $14.99 for paperbacks, depending on page count. Amazon pays 60% royalty on paperbacks minus print costs, and 70% for Kindle under $9.99. Track your conversions. Small tweaks in pricing, cover design, or subtitle can dramatically improve results. Step 6, marketing without a budget. You don't need $10 to launch. You need strategy. First, optimize your listing title, subtitle, and description with keyword-rich, benefit-driven language. Then build an author website or free landing page on Card. Collect emails using a lead magnet, like a free printable journal page or bonus audio chapter made with 11 Labs. Promote using free traffic sources, Reddit niche threads, Facebook groups, TikTok mini trailers using AI avatars or Lumen 5. For audiobooks, AI voices like 11 Labs or Murph let you narrate like a pro without the studio cost. And if you want to bundle products like a self-help book with a calming music playlist, Use Udio or Suno to create ambient background tracks. Sell them as companion products. It's an upsell machine. Now let's talk scale. Once you've published your first book, treat it like a case study. What worked, what didn't. Use that feedback loop to launch a second, third, 10th book. With AI doing 80% of the heavy lifting, you're not limited by bandwidth anymore. You're only limited by imagination and market demand. Still skeptical? Consider this. A 2024 case study from an indie author named Brielle published 15 AI-assisted journals in niche wellness categories. She earned $8,400 in royalties within 90 days, with zero ad spend. How? Strategic keywords, quality formatting, and relentless experimentation. The AI didn't make her rich. The system did. The AI just made it scalable. But here's your edge. Most people quit before they even launch. Perfectionism. Analysis paralysis. Fear. Meanwhile, the creators who test fast, learn fast, and publish consistently are building digital assets that pay them for life. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a writer, but you do need to be strategic, consistent, and above all, willing to learn. So what's next? Start small. Choose one idea, validate it, prompt the AI, format it right, and hit publish. Then repeat. Every book you release is another potential revenue stream, another brand-building asset, another step toward real financial freedom. What niche are you excited to explore first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on. If this opened your eyes, buckle up. What's coming next is even more powerful. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Mentioning any tools or services isn't an endorsement. Always speak to a certified financial professional before making decisions based on your unique goals. Want to multiply your income streams using AI without spreading yourself thin? There's a smarter way, and the next video will show you how. Tap it now, and let's keep building.